Yes, how you doing, people? Welcome back. 2016 Hyundai. Hyundai. Alright, Sonata. Giddy. You see what's good. You see the vibes. So guess what? I test the battery. See, I want to tell you from the beginning, alright? It looks like that they towed the car over here, and because he died, suddenly he died. Alright? So I approach the car. You see how I do? I approach the car like, I look at it, and I tried to start the car. It didn't want to start. I mean, it turns on and all that though, but it didn't want to. It didn't want to start. It cranked a little bit. It didn't want to start. So I said I'm gonna boost it. I boosted it. It started. The car started. So a little run for a minute, so the alternator recharged the battery. Because sometimes the people, for I don't know, turn on the stop the car, shut it down, but they leave the key in the on position, which allow them to use the radio. Uh, they step on the brake because it's a muscle memory. They leave the foot on the brake pedal with the radio on or stuff like that, and that drained the battery. You know what I'm saying? So that's how you kill the battery right there. Or they leave the light, the dome light, which is the light on the ceiling. They leave it on with the radio on. They're stepping on the brake, and the brake light turns on. So that's a lot of energy right there. You're gonna drain the battery really fast. So by the time you realize, or you need to go somewhere, your car is not gonna start. You know what I'm saying? So back to the subject. Back to whatever I was saying. So this battery right here for that 2016 Hyundai Sonata. This one is head-side Sprinter 94R, group size 94R, CCA 750. Okay, and I don't see the date though. Whoever sold this battery didn't mark the date, and it's not good. But don't worry though, this is what we're gonna do, alright? We're gonna do the battery. Before I jump into the action, I'm gonna say it. Alright? Support the channel by subscribing to the channel. Do that. You know what I'm saying? Now you can join the channel, the community channel. Join the community channel just in case you need some extra help. You know what I'm saying? Let's say you have something to do. You know what I'm saying? You have a project and you cannot finish it because it's too difficult or whatever it is the reason. Thankfully, thank God, let's put it this way, you join the community channel. In that way, you can look for me through the chats. We can chat, live chat, and I can walk you through the problem, you know what I'm saying, and fix it, you know what I'm saying. That's what's up right there. You know what I'm saying? I can help you that way. Okay. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video. The feedback, put in the comment box. Hey, watch the ad too. If you think this thing is too difficult for you, when the ad comes, and okay, this way. When the ad comes, just let it run and go stretch the leg. You know what I'm saying? Go take a break, stretch the leg, go get a drink, Once you feel like better, come back and finish the job, you know what I'm saying? But let the ad, the commercial run, alright? Do that. That's how you support the channel. Join the community channel, subscribe to the channel, do all that. If you want to give I was too close over here, right? If you want to give thanks to the channel, right below the video, there's a heart, which is it says thanks. You click on that, and that's like a way to leave a tip, a way to contribute to the channel. You know what I'm saying, or super chats too. You can use super chats to contribute to the channel too. You know what I'm saying. All right. Okay. Let's back to this. Go back to the battery. Okay, here. I'm just gonna do it bare hands. Okay, I'm not gonna use gloves because I'm trying to do it fast. Okay, a lot of people are like, "Yo, get to the point. Yo, do it. Why you take so long? You take like 10 minutes to break it down or whatever." Yeah, if you're in a hurry, just go to settings in the video. Go to settings, and the playback. You can change the speed. Do that. Put it times 1.5, times 2, times 3. You know what I'm saying? That would be a smart move from you. You know what I'm saying? And if you didn't know, now you know, though. Okay. Before I change the battery, this thing's gonna be here. Okay. I'm gonna remove it. This thing has like 3 clips. Okay. I'm gonna remove that. Right. Now the car is running. I'm gonna turn it on because I don't wanna disconnect the battery and then reset whatever is inside the car, like the radio stations, um, uh, the clock, and all that. I say clock, okay, watch, whatever you want to call it. Okay, I don't wanna reset that, so I'm gonna let the car run while I change the battery. Okay, there's a bolt right here that holds the battery. That's gonna be 12 millimeter. Okay. Subscribe to the channel. Do it now while you can. I'm gonna change this real quick. 12. Okay. Oh, good. This thing has a handle. Okay, let me put this. Can you see? This thing goes like that. Okay. Put it to the side. Now I'm gonna disconnect this too. I'm not being sponsored by Interstate Batteries, but that's what I'm gonna install now. I'm gonna grab the 10 millimeter deep socket. Okay. And I'm ready to do the swap. 10 millimeter right there. 10 millimeter here. Okay, ready to come out. Ready to come off. There we go. That's one. That's two. Pull it out like that. Now we'll put the new one. There. Push it in. Yeah. There you go. But there's another thing though. It's up to you if you want to put this in. Okay. We isolate the battery from the engine heat. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. That's what I'm about to do. Not a point, but there, pop. Just like that. Stitch it up like that. Put it like that. Whew. You kind of want to do it faster because you don't want the car to die, and then it's like a U. All that about not resetting the computer. It's gonna happen. Back. Back. Like this. Gucci. Maybe not yet. Oh, should we go now? I'm gonna put this the same way. Same way it came out. Same way you're gonna put it back. Okay. So let me see. There you go. Give me that 12. (2016) Hyundai Sonata. Alright, pretty much it. Let me give you a better angle here. Yes, that's kind of good. Now we're going to put this guy back. This. Like that. I'm going to put these clips back. Like that. 1, 2. 3. And that's it. You did it. Oh, by the way, this is Interstate MTP 94R H7 CCA 790 Interstate, CA 985. Now here you gotta mark when you install it, alright. Now here you install it on the 22, right? So we'll remove the 2. Okay. And the month, the month now is November, October. So right here. Okay, that's March, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Well, now is October 2022. Alright, that's how you do it right there. Yep, and that's how you do it. That's how you change the battery. The car is running right now. 2016 Hyundai Sonata. Okay, that's how you change the battery. Alright. If you have any questions, just put it in the comment box. Don't forget to support the channel by subscribing to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Do that. Like the video, share the video, and the feedback. Put in the comment box for me. Now I'm gonna leave it right here. Alright. Hope you like the video. Catch me in the next one. Axtuo. I'm out. Hey.